Episode number 4 of the Expo series will contain a box of Upper Deck Reserve 2000-2001. Let's do it.
The Prokotaco Show.
What is going on, you guys? Prokotaco here with the Prokotaco Show. And on today's episode, we have a box of NHL Upper Deck Reserve hockey cards from 2000-2001. This is episode number 4 of the Sports Card Expo series. So this box comes with 24 packs and 5 cards per pack. I believe you can get autographs in here. I didn't look too much into the product. This is my first time opening up this product, and I figured just go for it. We'll see what we pull together. So here we go. We've broken the seal here, and I believe this was one of the more expensive boxes that I bought at the Sports Card Expo. Not too much more expensive, but a bit more expensive than the others. So let's take out our packs. Nice little box to fit 24 packs in. That's super cool. We'll put that to the side. We will double check our packs as usual. Okay, and everything seems to be there. So let's go ahead and open up these hockey cards that are like, what, 16, 17 years old. Pack number 1. Steve Yzerman on the front there. Let's take a look at Upper Deck Reserve. Scott Gomez is our first card. Let's look at the base cards there. Ray Whitney. Here we have Henrik Sedin, Jeff Friesen, and Marian Hossa. So it seemed like that first pack was all base cards. These packs feel so, not antique, but so clean in the way that they open. Here's Joe Sakic. That's really nice. Followed by Miroslav Satan. Here we got Saku Koivu. Ryan Smith. And it seems like we have our first insert, a reserve rookie of Ruslan Fedotenko. Ruslan Fedotenko, Philadelphia Flyers reserve rookie. So look at the back of the card. I'll put that to the side and do an insert recap at the end of the video for you guys. Our first Maple Leaf, Sergei Berezin. And then we got Tony Amonte, Jason Allison, Mike Modano, and our second insert is the big ticket of Ray Bourque. Nice shiny card. I love the cards with the glossy finish to them. So let's keep going here. Here we got Milan Kraft, the Penguins, Theoren Fleury, Jim Dode, Valerie Burr, and a reserve rookie of Peter Bartos. Peter Bartos, reserve rookie card. Okay, Brendan Shanahan, that's very nice. Sami Kapanen, Paul Correa, Daniel Sedin, and Owen Nolan. Man, bit of a flashback going on here. This is when I was like maybe 8 years old watching hockey. These players: Mario Lemieux, Mark Messier. We got here Roman Hamrlik, reserve rookie of Peter Hubashek, and the second insert in this pack, a gold strike of Olaf Kolzig for the Capitals. So, some pretty decent looking cards so far. What do we got here? Brian Savage, Sergei Fedorov, Jamie Storr, Brett Hull, and Sandis Ozelinch of the Carolina Hurricanes. Okay, Steve Sullivan, Patrick Stefan, Brad Richards. Oh wow, looks super young in that. Steve Rukin, and a reserve rookie of Greg Klassen, the Predators. So no superstar rookies yet. Let's just flip that card. Here's Jeremy Roenick for the Coyotes, Curtis Joseph, Peter Bondra, Chris Pronger, and we have an insert of Mark Messier. Power portfolio? I think that's what it says there in handwriting at the bottom, of Mark Messier. Another glossy insert card. That's really nice. That's super awesome. Martin Brodeur, Luc Robitaille, Alexei Yashin, Cliff Ronning, and a reserve rookie of Rostislav Klesla for the Blue Jackets. Steve Hines, Oleg Saprikin, Doug Waite, and Patrick Waugh, and Doug Gilmour. Oh crap, a Buffalo jersey. Dougie Gilmour. I love that old school Buffalo uniform. So here's a checklist card of Mark Messier. Let's have a quick look at the back of there. All the player names. Roma Turek, Mark Gretschy, a reserve rookie of Jordan Krestanovich for the Calgary Flames. However, he seems to be in his CHL uniform here. And what is this? A golden goalies insert of Jose Theodore. Oh, this is a goalie I watched growing up as well. Jose Theodore. Really good goalie, and that's a really nice insert. I really like that. So we're about halfway here. I'm gonna keep opening up all these packs. And here's Matt Sundin, beautiful. Jaromir Jagr, still playing, that's crazy. John Van Beesbroek. Here's a rookie card of Scott Hartnell. Scott Hartnell, reserve rookie. Nashville. And right behind it, we have another golden goalies card. Oh, and we just pulled his base card in that same pack of John Van Beesbroek. Probably off with the pronunciation a little bit, but correct me if I am wrong. Don't be afraid to leave comments in the comment sections below. Jamie McLennan. Jamie McLennan. Ed Belfour. John Clare. Thomas Vokoun. And Pavel Bure. Jamie McLennan is part of Overdrive on TSN Radio. Now with Jeff O'Neill and Brian Hayes. Ron Francis, Teemu Selanne. Here we got Peter Forsberg, Dominic Hasek, and a reserve rookie of David Abisher. David Abisher, reserve rookie. The only rookie I recognized right now is Scott Hartnell, to be honest with you. And then, of course, all these amazing old school players. Just gonna flip this card here. Marcus Naslund. Cujo again. Curtis Joseph. Keith Tkachuk. Oh, that is one ugly Coyotes jersey. Sorry to say it, but damn. Roman Hamrlik. And the big ticket of Jaromir Jagr. Big ticket indeed, considering he is still playing. That's nice. Let's keep going here. Upper Deck reserve base card of Mario Lemieux. Mark Messier right behind him. Brian Savage. And Jamie Storr. Followed by a rookie card of Mark Smith. Mark Smith reserve rookies. Sergei Fedorov, Steve Sullivan, Brett Hall, Sandis Lynch, and Steve Rukin. So we're starting to see a few doubles so far. Is this whole pack upside down? Or am I upside down? Damian Rhodes for the Thrashers. Mike Johnson. Brian Leach. A reserve rookie of Jose Vasek. And on ice success of Mark Messier. It's a Mark Messier box. Nice. Seems like most of the inserts have a nice glossy finish to it. I love that. Almost done here, guys. Just a few packs left. Sean Burke, Tim Connolly, Jose Theodore, Steve Yzerman, and Alexei Zapanov. So we're down to 4 packs, 20 more cards. Let's see if we can get lucky. Zygmunt Palffy, Chris Simon, Evgeny Nabokov, Viron Defoe, and a rookie card here of Jeff Bateman. Jeff Bateman. It says Brampton he plays for. I guess that's his CHL team. I have noticed that with the early 2000s cards that even like the young guns, some of them they're in their prospect team uniform. Like I have a Luongo Young Guns, and I think he's in the prospect team uniform. Patrick Lalime, Vincent LeCavalier, Keith Primo, Patrick Eliash, and a gold strike insert of Mike Modano. Second last pack. David Legwand, Tommy Salo, Roberto Luongo, speaking of the devil, Ron Tugnut, and a reserve rookie of Justin Williams. There we go, somebody else I recognize. Justin Williams rookie card. And our last pack of these Upper Deck reserve hockey cards. So we got Ray Bork, Joe Thornton getting hooked, Jerome McGinley, Olaf Kolzig, and Scott Young base card. So we start with an all base and end with an all base pack. So that concludes our break of Upper Deck reserve hockey cards. I'll be right back with a quick insert recap for you guys. Stay tuned. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the Prokotaco show. We just opened up a box of Upper Deck Reserve from the 2000-2001 season, and we're just quickly going to go over all the inserts we got. So the rookies are actually part of the main set, similar to Series 1 and Series 2 in present-day hockey cards. So the numbers kind of continue and are part of the 120 card set in this set here. So we'll go over the reserve rookies and then we'll get to the other inserts. So we got Ruslan Fedotenko, Peter Hubasek, Peter Bartos, Greg Klassen, Jordan Krestinovich, Rostislav Klesla, Scott Hartnell, David Abisher, Josef Vasisek, Mark Smith, Jeff Bateman, and Justin Williams. So you'll notice some of those were in their minor league uniforms. But anyways, let's move on to the other inserts, the shiny cards. Yeah, we got 2 gold strike inserts. This one here is Mike Modano, and then we got Olaf Kolzig. We got some golden goalies, Jose Theodore and John Vance Beesbrook. Some really cool looking cards there. And then 2 big ticket inserts. The big ticket, one is of Ray Bork, and the other is of the legendary Jaromir Jagr. And then we got two more inserts, both of the same player, but different kind of inserts. This is a power portfolio insert of Marc Messier. And then we also got the on-ice success insert of Marc Messier. So that would be it. That concludes our break today of Upper Deck Reserve. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed that episode, make sure to click that like button, as that really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Have you opened up hockey cards from this set yet? And if you have you built the entire set, or have you pulled any autographs? Because you can pull autographs in this product. So leave a comment in the comment section below. And yeah guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out. Prokotaco.
Thanks for watching. To watch another episode, click one of the rectangles. Make sure you check me out on Twitter, Instagram, and now Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. I know you want to click that button.